great news for AviLease, Maya. We just received a Baa2 Moody's and BBB flat from Fitch rating, so 2 notches into the investment grade, and standalone for Moody's investment grade. So it's a great result for AviLease, especially since the company is only 3 years old. So I think that really speaks about the speed of execution of AviLease, the support that we receive from our shareholder PIF to operationalize the company and to put together governance and risk management process at the top tier of the industry. I mean, just to give you some context, Maya, AviLease is one of only 10 leasing company with an investment grade rating, and only 11 airlines in the world have an investment grade rating. So it's particularly interesting for us. It puts us in a very select group of operators in the aviation business, and really enhances the credibility of the platform going forward, and allows us to deploy more capital in the future with not only domestic but international investors.
Obviously, the better credit rating will also help you secure loans at a better interest rates, and you have recently secured a 1.5 billion revolving credit facility. Which banks provided this facility, and how will the funds be used?
Yeah, so we assembled a syndicate of 20 banks for that facility. We chose specifically to go only international, so none of the kingdom banks participate in this particular transaction. So we received funds from the US, from North America, from Europe, from Asia. It's a 3-year facility, and it goes in addition to the facility we currently have for $750 million. So the total liquidity that AviLease has is $2.25 billion, which is roughly 30% of our total balance sheet size. So it's an incredible firepower that we have. It's giving us a lot of flexibility to go after transactions we like in the marketplace. So it's very exciting for us in our future development also.
So are there any specific transactions you're looking at the moment, and can you share the interest rate you'll be paying on this facility?
So we don't disclose, it's confidential information, the interest rates. I will say simply that it was 2 times oversubscribed, so we've had very good result in terms of economics on the transaction. In terms of transactions, we're currently mainly positioned in the KSA. About 25% of our portfolio is in Saudi Arabia. We will continue to be a main actor here with the local airlines, be it Saudia, Saudia Cargo, Flynas, Flydeal, Riyadh Air later this year, hopefully. But we also want to expand our portfolio beyond that. So we're very active in the United States today. We have 18% of our portfolio there. And also in India, which is a very fast-growing market, as you know. And we intend to continue to deploy our capital there. So, you know, the name of the game in an aircraft leasing company is to make sure that your portfolio is diversified globally. And we want to continue to diversify globally as we scale up.
So what would you say are your key strategic priorities right now?
So as I said, we want to continue to support the Saudi airline development. Per our estimates, we think there is about 35 to 45 billion US dollars of aircraft deliveries in the kingdom. So we want to make sure that the local airlines are financed efficiently, whether it's from AviLease or other investors globally. We want to make sure that we attract capital into the kingdom to finance the growth of the aviation sector.